Okay, and we are recording, and welcome to another video on the new Andromo AI app builder. Okay, and let me show you real quick just how new this is. Okay, this is actually it opened up today, I believe, or yesterday. But anyway, you only have a few here. Let's see, view all. Let's see how many we got here. But these are the templates or the apps from the community. Okay, and it's only about one, two, three, one, two, let's see, 4, 8, 12. It's only about 14 apps here. Okay. This is very new. Okay. So we going in on the ground floor here, y'all. Okay. So anyway, and these are some of the apps that they made, uh, that the community made. So real quick, I've got an idea from ChatGPT of a kind of app I want to make. And let's see. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. As you can see in the last video, these are a couple I made already, but we're gonna go to a new one. And I'm gonna paste the prompt here. Bible names and meaning apps. So that should be create a Bible names. Let's see. How does it look on Chat GPT? Yeah, let's see. Rank 25. This from Firebase Studio, actually, but I'm just gonna say create. Yeah, just create that. And my master prompt would look something like this. Okay, you are a senior mobile app developer. And yeah, that's what's saying. But anyway, yeah. Anyway, we're going to go to it. Um, let's see, create for me a Bible names and meanings app. How about that? And let's see what we got. That's real simple. Now, and according to the Discord, the welcome message and everything, um, let's see, 11.7. Okay. I guess this is where they were testing and um, they didn't really make it available yet. But anyway, it's saying you should go small, whatever, and such. But yeah, this would be probably at task 2, more complex and go deeper. So with this app. So anyway, let's go ahead and get it built and see what happens. We're gonna see it go in action. Okay. Create for me a Bible names and meanings app. Okay. And let's see what we got going here. Okay, it's generating, looking good. Tailwind configuration.js. Okay, looking good. Um, and like I said, I would kind of relate this to like lovable apps, both apps. Um, I don't know if it's Google AI Studio apps, but Base 44 and so on, other AI builders. And I have I don't have extensive experience in those apps, but I built a lot of apps. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay. We're generating the blueprint. Okay. So it's making its own prompt, basically. Okay. Yeah, looking good. Looking good. That's a good looking prompt there. Okay. UI design, user interface. Okay. And we'll go ahead and generate the code. Here we go. Okay. So let's see what we're going to get here. And I'm keeping this real simple because I don't want this video to go too long either. But yeah. So we taking Andromo AI to the next level. And yeah, I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to let it build. Okay. And usually it's good to, when using AI builders, build in incognito mode because sometimes it'll catch and it'll catch on to certain things and it'll keep that in memory and it can interfere with your code. It's just from my experience. But yeah, so reviewing phase 1. Okay. So, and I like how it's telling me what it's doing. I do like that. Okay. Um, Yep. So we're gonna let it do what it do. I guess I could go to yeah, but anyway, this is the traditional Andromo platform, and then Chrome is running real slow right now. But anyway, yeah. So these are some of my projects. Of course, most of my apps are Bible related. Okay. I think if you put God first in all you do, you will have much success. Okay. Those are a few of my apps there. And I've got a lot of tool apps that I build. But anyway, let's go back. Where we at? Okay, okay. Uh we still rolling here. And let's see. I really would like to run this in incognito mode. Like I said, sometimes, it can get hung up, and that cache can affect your build. Okay. So anyway, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Well, let's still see it thinking here. I think we're in good shape. But the next one, I am going to use incognito mode. Okay. And we're still going. So I guess it's taking I guess it's been about 5 minutes. But anyway, 10:15 at night. Okay. I may be playing with this for a while. Just to keep it real. Just to keep it real. Okay. Come on, Andromo. And while I'm on this video, I do have a few products. I have some Andromo prompts actually. They are AI prompts. Uh, See if I can show them to you real quick while this is still building. Let me go to my product. It'll be on Gumroad and actually a few other places. But I'm gonna show them to you real quick. Let me go to my other Chrome builder here. But yeah, this is the product. You'll see it soon. You'll probably see it in the links. But yeah, I've got an Andromo builder. Okay. Um, Andromo prompts for the Andromo builder, actually. That's one. And this product, let's see. Let me get the link for it. Oh, we're going real slow now. Let's put this back down. Okay. Still building. Still building. Oops, something went wrong. Okay. All righty. Let's try it again. Okay. Let's see. Uh, Here's one product. You'll probably see it. Ooh wee. Yep. But this is the URL. Let me show you real quick. So you can go to Gumroad and get this. Okay. 200 prompts. Okay. And it's on special right now for $7. Okay. Which is a steal. Okay. And yeah. So you got 200 app builder prompts specifically for Andromo. Okay. That's one product. Okay. Okay, we're done. All right. Let's see, done. Okay. Let's see. Hide this. Let's go to next. AI companion. Ask questions, get reflections. Oh, okay. All right. Discover divine meanings. Oh boy. Let's see here. Don't get me started with that now. All right. explore the rich heritage, linguistic roots, and spiritual significance of biblical names. Okay, that's not quite what I wanted. Well, yeah, it was what I wanted. Yeah, names and meanings. Okay. Hmm. Trending figures. Okay. Let's see. Search a name. Abraham. Let's try that. Abraham. Okay. And let's put it to the test. Okay. Abraham. All. Okay. No results. Okay, that's strange. All right, let's see. All right, Andromo, what's going on? Let's see. How can I make this full screen? Uh, let's see. Docs. Let's see. How about that? Okay. Mail. Okay. Nothing on that. Let's go back to that. Okay. Sarah. Okay, we got to get something here. Okay. All right. So that's not working. Okay. We got a book here, Genesis. Okay, it's showing the book of Genesis, first chapter, second chapter. Okay. But it's not really. Okay, let's try this. Let's just try it. Ask anything about the sacred text or choose a quick Bible topic. Love. Okay, let's try that. And let's see what we got. Okay. All right. That is the AI portion of it. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Uh, let's ask a real question. What sin, and this is just a test, I know what I answer to this. I don't know, let's see. What sins did King David, how about that? What sins did King David commit? Let's see what it says. All right. And AI. Okay. All right. We got something going here. It's important to clarify which king you're referring to, as there's been many kings mentioned in the Bible. I did say King David, didn't I? What sin did King? Oh, I thought I typed David. All right. Let's try this. Okay. Let's see. What sins did King David commit? Okay. And I know the answer to this already, but let's see what AI says. All right. We got a good foundation there. King David, a man after God's own heart, was not without his failings. Okay. It doesn't really give any scripture references. Okay. So it does a little AI. Find this sin covered up the pregnancy, right? I do remember that. Okay, it says 2 Samuel 12. Okay. It gives a general answer, not really specific. Okay. So that's what I say about that. Search. Give me some scriptures on prayer. Let's see. Give me scriptures on prayer. All right, how about that? Let's see what we got. Oops. Prayer. I hate typing. All right. Got a few scriptures there. Okay. All right. Let's see what else we got here. So it has settings, account, and so on. But that's the app that it created. Let's see. So we can get back to this biblical names and meanings app. Okay. So that's what it did. There may be some bugs in apps. Do not try to fix them. Code generation has been completed. Okay. So, I don't know. What would you all give that? Because it's okay. Let's do a comparison. I'll tell you what. I'm going to do a quick comparison. How many minutes we in? 15 minutes? All right. Next week, I'm going to do a comparison.